أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نون والقلم وما يسطرون. ما أنت بنعمة ربك بمجنون. وإن لك لأجرا غير ممنون. وإنك لعلى خلق عظيم. فستبصر ويبصرون بأيكم المفتون. إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين. فلا تطع المكذبين. ودوا لو تدهن فيدهنون. ولا تطع كل حلاف مهين هماز مشاء بنميم مناع للخير معتد أثيم عتل بعد ذلك زنيم أن كان ذا مال وبنين إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين سنسمه على الخرطوم.
None. By the pen and what they inscribe, you are not, O Muhammad, by the favor of your Lord, a madman. And indeed, for you is a reward uninterrupted. And indeed, you are of a great moral character. So you will see and they will see which of you is the afflicted by a devil. Indeed, your Lord is most knowing of who has gone astray from his way, and he is most knowing of the rightly guided. Then do not obey the deniers. They wish that you would soften in your position, so they would soften toward you. And do not obey every worthless habitual swearer and scorner, going about with malicious gossip. A preventer of good, transgressing and sinful, cruel, moreover, and an illegitimate pretender, because he is a possessor of wealth and children. When our verses are recited to him, he says, legends of the former peoples. We will brand him upon the snout.
وكذلك أوحينا إليك قرآنا عربيا لتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها وتنذر يوم الجمع لا ريب فيه.
And thus we have revealed to you an Arabic Quran that you may warn the mother of cities, Makkah, and those around it, and warn of the day of assembly, about which there is no doubt.